I already talked about how the Draft 360 is killing the game when it comes to 3D tour cameras. But with these recent updates, I'm like, do you even need another camera? Because these changes aren't small. My name is Cole Connor, and I was put here to do 3 things. Create, inspire, love. Thanks for being here. Let's get into it. Put this away. Now it's time. The Draft 360 has some updates, so you know we gotta test it out. I got about 1,000 square foot home here. Okay, we're gonna do double scans, and we're gonna take photos. Supposedly everything's double the speed. Quality is insane. Let's do it. Oh, stretch. Ugh. Ugh. All right, we're gonna do a scan. Boom, boom, boom. I forgot to do the... I forgot. Of course, I forgot to update the tripod. It's all good. First scan of the update. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Oh, look, a view. It's almost done. Under 1 minute. Let's go. It's actually so much faster, and that just makes it so much better. Oh shit. I think I got caught. I'm Gucci. Alright, let's try this thing out. Here we go. Alright, so of course, while I was recording, my mic turned off. But this time I wanted to go through and just take more pictures of the property. So of course you have lots of different settings. You can zoom in, you can zoom out and get the widest angle possible. You can even adjust the tripod height, which I thought was pretty awesome. And then you could also adjust the angle. You know, you just gotta maneuver it to the perfect shot, and it's just so comparable to a typical, you know, wide angle lens HDR photo with a DSLR. It's, if not better, and it just takes a second. I like having different types of gear. I like, you know, there's totally a workflow where you have a DSLR and you take HDR photos, and you know, have a gimbal and you take video. But I also think there's a world where this Draft 360 can make you a lot of money. Scan time is down. A single scan takes 30 seconds. A double scan now is a minute or less. It's noticeable. Uploads are 60% faster, the files are smaller, and you're not standing around waiting on processing. You upload it while you eat dinner, the next day, stuff comes back. Blue Sky Replacement 2.0 is smarter now. It's using GPS, time of day, and camera angle to generate skies that stay consistent across the whole photo set. The window pools are also noticeably better. The videos are just more cinematic. Let's check it out. So here we go. We got the virtual tour. We got the videos. Ooh, I like this. I think these are upgraded. Just the way it looks in the back end. Okay. So let's just look at the virtual tour first. So this is what it's looking like. I did an outdoor scan, and all I had to do for the scan was just go outside and scan. And it treated it as like another floor, and I didn't really have to change anything, change any button, or like push any buttons. I just did it and they fixed it for me. Boom, going inside. I mean, the quality is great on the virtual tour. You zoom in, zoom out. It looks really good. Look at the seeing through the windows. You can literally see the ocean. I love this little thing here. It's, you know, I guess kind of reminiscent of the Matterport. This isn't even the full, but this is cool. You can just click to go to each one. Boom. I like the way it looks. Just easy. It looks professional, which I really like. I like the arrows. Perfect. And if I want to go backyard, let's see. Out the door. So, and this was a garage laundry. I think did I do one up there? Yeah. Super dope. I love that. And then I mean, you could do, pretty sure some other ones do this too, but you got the measurement feature, which is cool. I think this is kind of underrated, that you go from here Go here to, and it tells you exactly how long it is. That's pretty cool. So if you want to know from here to here, I like that. Okay, now that's the virtual tour. So now let's look at the photos. Here, I guess I could do this really quick. I could pull up some of the photos I sent to the client. You know, for editing regular photos, you can have an editor, or you could use something like Fotello, and then I make just a couple of small adjustments, and bada boom, bada bang, you have the photos. Now, what's interesting about Draft 360 is that you don't have to pay for additional editing. This is just included. I can download these photos directly, add some adjustments. I don't have to pay extra for editing. So, I mean, just from the sense of, you know, some people pay much more than $360 a month for editing. So, but if you're just using Draft 360 constantly, you get the $360 a month plan. You use my discount code, Cole Connor, you get $36 off a month. I mean, it's kind of a heck of a deal. Like I said, I mean, it depends on the type of photography you're doing, but all right, so pretty different shot. So I was a little bit lower with the Draft 360 here, but this is the difference. I mean, quality-wise, it's not that different at all. Because what I did with these photos is I think I used Fotello with these, and I downloaded, I added some of my own adjustments, so it's the same concept here. I would have done the same thing, which would have increased the contrast a little bit. That's impressive. It's just not that big of a difference. And you can see this is, the one on the right is a little bit higher. The one on the left is a little bit lower, and it looks like I might be a little bit wider with the one on the right as well. So let's go to another shot example. Yeah, I wanted to do a bedroom shot, so let's go to the bedroom. Oh, see, I think this is just what a lot of people are worried about, is the bedroom, or just like the photo comparison, but it's just so comparable. Okay, same concept, just more contrast. And actually this one, yeah, the right's still wider and it's just still higher. And it looks like the color's a little different. Like this is a little more green tinted, very comparable. Let's do an outside shot. This is the zoomed in kitchen. Okay, here we go. Boom. So just the height difference, to add in the contrast, that's literally all it is. It's insane. I love that. Okay. And then let's do one more. We'll do an outside one now. Outside front shot, zoomed in as much. Okay, I don't have a comparable one there. Okay, that's cool. Let's check out the videos. So here's a tour video example.
This charming 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom residence encompasses 1,191 square feet of cozy living space. The 477 square foot kitchen and living area is ideal for cooking.
It created all this by itself.
Unwinding and hosting guests. Let's highlight the living room. This welcoming area is perfect for culinary endeavors, dining, and socializing, making it great for family gatherings.
And then you could also make it vertical. So same concept, just vertical. Speed ramp drone. Let's try this. Oh shit, okay. I didn't even... That's so cool. Wow, okay. That's dope. That's the speed ramp drone. This is the orbital drone. Orbital drone. I just know this is even going to get so much better. Wow. Okay, and so this is one note that I got from them. Let me pull this up here. Let's see if I can put it on screen, actually. So they sent me what would make better drone videos. So if you look at the top picture, this is my actual cadence of like how I did it. So, you know, typically I'm not trying to do a drone video because you don't think that a 3D tour camera is going to make these videos like this. So I'm just going 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. But if you really want to make a super dope, like the most high quality drone videos, etc. from the Draft 360, you got to take more scans. So it's pretty much going from, I had 18 scans to 29 scans. So if you really want it to be that good, and they told me kind of where, you know, if I were to do it again, how to get the best drone videos. And it's pretty much just you want to do more of the corners and the center for the bigger rooms. But I thought that was really interesting though. I'm excited for the freaking drone videos. That's very interesting. So then we have, I mean, these are interesting because it's cinematic and they turned out pretty good. And you can go back between vertical, horizontal. Wow. And 14 seconds. So they're a little bit shorter and almost better for like Instagram and TikTok. But there's all different types. But here's the thing is you can also go in and edit these. And so they have the video editor. So with each of these videos, you can add overlay text, you can change, you can move the video, replace the scene, adjust the scene region, remove the scene completely. You can label them, you can change like the music. It's pretty much a video editor. I mean, it's just crazy. What's cinematic arc motion? We'll do this one horizontal. And so they're getting more cinematic with their movements. And you can kind of see why they said the other scans, like these additional scans would make it better. Because as they're doing all these movements, they're seeing like so many different angles of the objects in the room. And so the more scans you have, the more information you have. Okay, so this is pretty cool because I just did... Wow, okay. I didn't really clarify what was what. I just scanned the outside and it had a detached garage and like laundry room. And it's just kind of doing this for me. So that's really cool. I mean, floor plan looks great. Easy. Now, another interesting thing they added is on the property website. Boom, boom. So I haven't touched this at all. This is property teaser and then property website. Holy shit, this looks good. I haven't even seen these yet. This looks really good. Oh my God. You can rotate the 2D floor plan. This is crazy. You get the 3D and it shows you the room as you're going through it. This is the part that I'm so excited about. Sun path. It shows you where the sun is at different times in the day. This is like, no one's doing this. Look. Wow, it's just so crazy, dude. No one is doing this. This is so dope. And I think this is just so helpful. And you can add all the details. I think I'm gonna fill this out completely because I haven't shared this with the client yet. You can literally edit the photo so that when we were talking about contrast, I can go in and kind of add some of that contrast, add some of the vibrance. You can add your custom styles. You can add blur if you need to blur something out. But let's go back here. Is that an undo or a back? Okay, leave, okay. Now, this is something they've really enhanced, and this is their virtual staging. Enhance in AI Studio. Crazy. You can do tons of different styles, but let's say, I believe it's with Gemini, Scandinavian bedroom. I don't even know what to say, bedroom. Let's just do that. That's crazy. Okay. That looks great. See, the only thing, I don't love the coat hanger because that would block the door, but you could do that and it takes it away. I mean, it's just crazy. And then if you don't like it, you just regenerate it. So let's say, okay. Let's say here, and then let's go to Enhance in AI Studio. So let's cancel a virtual twilight with pink skies. Boom. Added the pink sky. Dope. Save and close. I mean, I'm impressed. My favorite features so far, I mean, I think the photos turn out great. I feel like I love the new, I think the virtual tour looks amazing. I think the videos look really good. And the property website is very impressive. This camera is obviously not for every listing, not for every type of shoot. But if you get into a rhythm and you get, you know, a couple or 5 or 10 clients who really love this, if you charge a package deal for everything Draft 360 offers, I just think there's a way you can make a lot of money with it. You just gotta sell it. Specifically if you're a volume shooter and you're just, I mean, all you're doing is 3 bracketed HDR, going in, going out, delivering some floor plans, maybe doing a Matterport axis, replace it with the Draft 360, the quality is going to go through the roof. They're going to love the deliverables. I mean, it could really change your whole business. Now, if you're doing architectural editorial work and maybe like super cinematic videos with different lenses and stuff, then maybe it's not for you. But it is a tool you can put in your tool belt. I'm gonna put the links in the description if you wanna check it out. Make sure you use my code ColeConnor for the discounts per usual. And I'm just excited to see where they go with it, because in literally like 3 months, it's changed drastically. So how much better can it get? Let me know what you think. Have you tried it? Do you hate it? Do you love it? Keep me posted. Peace. What's next, Draft 360? Hi there, thanks for watching. If you really liked it, maybe you'll like some of these too. While you decide, here's some music. Enjoy.